Today, we have something new. My VR headset, my MetaQuest 3. Okay, this isn't exactly new. You guys have seen it before, but what is new is this. It's from VR Rock. And we are going to open it, and I'll tell you guys what it is. First of all, I would like to say VR Rock did send these out for me to check out, but my opinions are my own. They're not sponsoring this in any way, shape, or form. Let's see what's included in the box. This and this. This is your microfiber cloth, because these are lenses, glasses lenses to be precise. They are actually glass lenses you put in your MetaQuest or your VR headset. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can actually check these out. And if you use the code iTech, it will be on screen right now, at checkout, you can support the channel and get a coupon code amount off at the same time. So let's go ahead, and this is what it looks like in here. We're going to pull this out here. This is what one of the lenses look like. It's pretty interesting looking through it because, you know, they are literally my glasses. Yeah, okay. So, it looks like the ones they sent me are the magnetic ones. Yeah. Because they sell magnetic and not magnetic. The magnetic ones are cool because of the fact that you can exchange them. So if you need another lens in the future, you can kind of just pop it on and whatnot. And I'm going to go about installing this. Okay. It goes here, it looks like. Okay, so let's see. I just want to give you guys a sort of idea of how easy or hard they are to install. And like that, I did install them both. It's actually very easy. You just push down on them and they will snap. And it had like an arrow and L for left. Okay, they're both in. They don't seem like they're easily coming out. Let me actually take my glasses off and put them in, and put the headset on, see how it sort of feels per se. I don't notice them like falling off or anything. Okay, now you guys might just see me with the headset on and stuff, but I actually just turned it on so I can actually check the look of it and whatnot. Honestly, very good. I like it quite a bit, honestly. It's a little bit interesting because since I feel like my glasses are normally on, it kind of means I gotta adjust it a little bit. Okay, there we go. Just about perfect. Just about perfect. And yeah, this is something I am quite into. It feels so weird not having my glasses on in VR though, if I'm being honest. It's so weird not having my glasses on. in VR. Well, while I'm here, you guys can't see this, but I'm going to go ahead and check for an update on my headset. Yeah, I can see perfectly. Everything like so clear. Yeah, I know that's like I said, I would send these for free, but I'm not being sponsored by them. It's just I'm not used to being in VR without like my glasses pressing against my face and whatnot. So that actually is pretty brilliant in my honest opinion. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and then put my glasses back on. Bear with me. So and this is the exact lenses that I wear here. Like I said, you can give them your prescription from a doctor. You can give them all kinds of different stuff and then make them just the way you need. So yeah, again, that's VR Rock. Link in the description below. Again, you can use coupon code iTech at checkout to both support the channel and get a small discount, I believe. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.